Now you can see over here, the power of x is what? X raised to half and x raised to 1 by 3, as well as x raised to minus half and x raised to minus 1 by 3. Now, you can see over here, the LCM of 2 and 3 is what? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, let's substitute x equals to t raised to 6. Why 6? Because LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Let's bring it. This is what rational number. Here half 1 by 3. Let's bring it to some natural number. Okay. Now, if it is this, then what? Then dx is what? Dx is what? 6 t raised to 5 dt. Okay. Now you are getting dx. What about x raised to half? From here, x raised to half is you are multiplying, taking square root on both sides, or you can say taking half root on both sides. Okay. Here it will be t raised to 6 into half is what? T raised t cube. 2 into 3 is 6 t cube. Therefore, x raised to half is t cube. Similarly, x raised to minus half will be t raised to minus 3. If you write over here minus half, it will be minus 3. Okay. Therefore, here what we have is again x raised to 1 by 3 is equals to t raised to 6 into 1 by 3 is t2. Okay. And therefore, x raised to minus 1 by 3 is t raised to minus 2. Now let's substitute all over here. Is equals to integral 1 plus x raised to half is what? In terms of t, everything. In terms of t is t cube. Here we have t cube plus x raised to 1 by 3 is t square bracket 1 plus x raised to half is what? Minus half is t raised to minus 3 plus x raised to minus 1 by 3 is t raised to t raised to minus 2. And what is dx? Dx is 6 into t raised to 5 dt. Therefore, now this 6 I can take outside. Here we have 6 integral. Okay, now integral, what you can do is, you can, let's multiply t raised to 5 over here, t raised to 5 and this. Okay, this, so it become t raised to 5 plus, if base are same, you can add the indices. 5 plus 3 is what? T raised to 8 plus t raised to 5 plus 2 is t raised to 7 into 1 plus t raised to minus 3 plus t raised to minus 2. 6 is outside, t raised to 5 I already sent over here, and that is dt. Now let's multiply this. Okay. After that we can integrate. Let's separate. Okay, let's make a linear one. That is 6 into integral. Now this in t raised to 5 into whole this. Okay, therefore t raised to 5 plus t raised to, here 5 minus 3, base are same, you can add indices, plus t raised to 5 minus 2, this term. Okay, plus again over here, again t raised to 8, t raised to 8 into 1 is t raised to 8 plus t raised to 8 minus 3 plus t raised to 8 minus 2 plus over here, this is another one, this is one, and t raised to 7 plus t raised to 7 minus 3 plus t raised to 7 minus 2, and this is dt. Now what we want is we have to make all these into linear form. Okay, so now let's erase this one. Now we already put x equals to t raised to 6. You have to remember this. Let's remove this also. Now is equals to, now 6, still we have not done integration. Okay, here t raised to 5. Now t raised to 5 minus 3 is what? T raised to 2. Here t raised to 2. Here t raised to plus t raised to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Plus t raised to 8. Plus t raised to 8 minus 3 is t raised to 5. Plus t raised to 8 minus 2 is what? Here t raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, here t raised to 6. Plus t raised to 7. Plus t raised to 7 minus 3 is 4. T raised to 4. Plus t raised to 7 minus 2 is 5. And this is dt. Okay. Now, can you get some like terms over here? Now we have t raised to 5, t raised to 5 3 times. Okay. Therefore, this is equals to 6 of integral 3 t raised to 5. Then t raised to 2 is how many? We have only 2. Okay, only 1. Plus t raised to 2. And t raised to 3 is also only 1. Plus t raised to 3. Plus t raised to 4 is how many? Only 1. T raised to 4. T raised to 5 is there. T raised to 6 is how many? Only 1. Plus t raised to 7. T raised to 2, t raised to 3, t raised to 4, only 1, t raised to 5, here is 3, t raised to 6 is only 1, t raised to 7. Okay, now into dt. Now 6 outside, let's integrate this. Now 3 integral of t raised to 5 is what? 3 integral of t raised to 5 is t raised to 5 plus 1 is 6 upon 6. Plus t raised to 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 3, plus t raised to 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 4, plus t raised to 5 upon 5, plus t raised to, here 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 upon 7, plus t raised to 8 upon 8. Now here we can cancel 3 to the 6. Okay, now again if I send 6 inside, okay, again I 6 inside, will be 6 t raised to 6 upon 2 plus 6 t raised to cube upon 3 plus 6 t raised to 4 upon 4 plus 6 t raised to 5 upon 5 plus 6 t raised to 7 upon 7 plus 6 t raised to 8 upon 8 plus some constant. Now here again, here 3 to the 6, 3 to the 2, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. Okay, here again 2 to the 2, 3 the 2 to the, okay, again here 2, 3, 2, 4. Now what is t? Here we have 3. What is t? Okay, t raised to 6. What is t raised to 6? So here t raised to 6 is what? X. Okay, here you can say x, 3x. 3 into t raised to 6 is what? T raised to 6 is x. Plus here 2. What is t cube? Now here t cube is what? T cube is what? There, from here you can find we have x equals to t raised to 6. It means t equals to x raised to 1 by 6. Okay. What do we want? We want t raised to cube. T raised to cube is x raised to 1 by 6 into 3 is x raised to half in terms of, therefore t raised to cube is what? X raised to half plus, now here plus 3 by 2 t raised to 4. T raised to 4 is x raised to, over here, okay, this is t raised to 1 by 6 into 4 is x raised to 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 upon 3, x raised to 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 5 t raised to 5. T raised to 5 is x raised to 6 upon 5, 5 upon 6, x raised to 5 upon 6 plus 6 upon 7, t raised to 7 is x raised to 7 upon 6 plus t raised to 8 is 3 upon 4, t raised to, x 8 upon 6, okay, plus c, okay. This is the required answer for question number 12, okay.